Downloading Detroit Diesel Diagnostic Link version 8.23 requires using a complete and verified installation package to ensure stable performance and full functionality. The DDDL 8.23 full installation package typically includes the main diagnostic software, required system libraries, communication drivers, and supporting components needed for proper connection with Detroit diesel engines. Before starting the download, make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, including a compatible Windows operating system and sufficient storage space. Using an incomplete or corrupted package may lead to installation errors or connection issues later. It is strongly recommended to download DDDL 8.23 from a reliable and trusted source to avoid missing files or security risks. Always verify the package integrity before installation and temporarily disable antivirus software if required during setup. Once the download is complete, extract the installation files fully before proceeding with the setup process. This ensures all components load correctly and prepares the system for a smooth installation experience. With the correct full installation package, DDDL 8.23 delivers stable diagnostics, accurate fault code reading, and reliable communication with Detroit diesel ECMs.